Welcome to CDG Inspection, your global leader in testing and certification services. At CDG Inspection, we ensure your products meet international safety and quality standards. Our N14296 to 2012 tests focus on the performance, durability, and reliability of locking mechanisms. Every test is performed by highly skilled professionals using cutting-edge technology. We provide detailed, actionable insights to help you improve your products. Our experts work closely with you to ensure your products meet the highest standards. From office desks to storage cabinets, we've got you covered. Our endurance tests ensure your locking mechanisms stand the test of time. We also evaluate the security and tamper resistance of your locks. Receive certification that guarantees compliance with N14296 to 2012 standards. CDG Inspection provides trusted testing services worldwide. Our clients trust us for accuracy, reliability, and exceptional service. Visit www.cdginspection.com to learn more and make an inquiry today. Join the countless businesses who trust CDG Inspection for their testing needs. CDG Inspection, where precision meets reliability.